So I've got my camping tent cot here. Now they are in 2 bags. This right here is our cot itself, and this is the tent that's going to go over the cot. I do like that they come in these nice bags here. It's all zippered up. It's all metal right here. We've got a strap to put over your shoulders if you need to. Another handle here. And the smaller one, got 2 handles also. So let's go ahead and get the cot out. We're going to go ahead and put all this together and then go over the features. Now that I have the cot put together, let me go ahead and show you some features. Now we do have some loops right here on the edge of the cot itself. Back over here we have some pockets. Got a large pocket and a small pocket. And then on the underside, we have a net, so you can go ahead and put your pillow and any other thing really, because this is all elastic, so it's going to hold everything really well. And you can kind of see how I've put it together. I love the way that when I put this together, I could actually stretch the material on the cot itself to make sure it's really just nice and taut. It is nice and wide here. I love the black color here, and so this was simple, really simple to put together. So now you can see that I have the tent poles, and this is the tent section. It's really nice and roomy. If it wasn't rainy or anything like that, you could just use this with the cot just by itself. It's got a nice net here, so that's going to keep out any bugs. I mean, it's roomy enough that you could actually sit up in here without having to worry about hitting your head whatsoever. So you can see here, it's all zippered. Just open those up. And you can see the area that we have inside here. I mean, it's just super nice. This outer tent right here, it actually just connects to these poles. It's really simple to do. Really, it just takes just a couple of minutes to go ahead and put all this together. So now I'm all finished. I've got all 3 parts put together. This is the outer shell, so it's going to keep out the water. This is the other side is just like this side. You can go ahead and close this up if you want. I have it opened up. It's a fairly breezy day right now, and the air is flowing through there fantastic. I love that I can go ahead and close these if I need to. And then also on the side, to go ahead and increase the airflow right here if you want. This is actually a hardened piece right here. So what you can do is you just Velcro it in there, and it's going to go ahead and stay up and open it. If it was raining or cold, you can go ahead and just close that, and then you can go ahead and Velcro this in. This came out fantastic. This is definitely a 1-person job, 5 or 10 minutes, and you're done with this. I like that there are actually 3 parts of this: the cot, the tent, and the outer shell. And I like the nice netting in here, so it's going to keep out the bugs, keep the air flowing through here. But if it's nice and cold outside, you can definitely use the outer tent here to go ahead and just close everything up and stay nice and warm. It's really nice and roomy in here, and I even have a pocket in here for additional storage. Hope you found this review helpful.